Hello everyone. Today I will show you how can we set password expiration policy in Office 365. First I will show you via GUI how can we set password expiration policy, and after that we will try to set that policy via PowerShell. So let me show you how can we reset. Let me show you how can we set password expiration policy via GUI. I have logged into admin center. If you can see my screen, now click on admin, click on show all, go to settings and then go to organization settings. After that click on security and privacy. Now click on password expiration policy for the whole tenant. Currently it is set to 730 days, right? So now let's try to change it via PowerShell. Yes, let's open PowerShell. Remember to open PowerShell as an administrator. Okay. Now let's connect Office 365 tenant by entering Connect-MsolService command. Okay. Enter the password. Okay. Now I am connected to Office 365 admin center. Let me show you the next command. Now we will use this command, right? Set password MSOL password policy. We will set validity period 60 days and we will set the notification about 14 days, and we will enter a domain name here as well. Let me copy and paste the same command into the PowerShell. Hit enter. Now let's verify if the tenant password policy has been changed to 60 days. Refresh the page. Go to password expiration policy and see now the policy has been changed to 60 days. You can set it to whatever you want. Thank you for watching.